Mm, this is really, really good. This is the hibiscus leaf. Yes, from hibiscus leaf you can get hibiscus lemonade. You can get hibiscus tea. There's so many stuff that you can get out of hibiscus. Well, anyhow, I'm going to be showing you guys today how to make it. But first of all, I want to tell you guys what this hibiscus leaf is packed with. It's packed with antioxidants. It can help lower blood pressure. It can also help with blood fat levels. It can also help boost your liver health. It's good for your weight loss. It contains compounds that can fight cancer. It also helps fight bacteria, and it's also really delicious. It's got a lot of benefits. You guys should really totally learn how to make this. The process might seem a little tedious, but I gotta tell you, the benefits of hibiscus drink totally outweighs any of the inconvenience you can get from trying to make it. Mm. Mm. It's really good. You can make hibiscus tea out of this. Um, you can make hibiscus drink out of this, and of course, you can make hibiscus lemonade. Yeah, you can put whatever kind of flavor that you want with it. The health benefits are so immense. So let's go straight to the video of how to make this hibiscus drink. So first of all, we have a measuring cup. I'm gonna measure 4 cups of the dried hibiscus. I already washed mine. So 4 cups of hibiscus, all washed, is in that bowl. And we have a lemonade, yeah, for flavoring. So we also have the pineapple. You can add any other fruits you want to, but I'm using pineapple. Chopped pineapple, the inside and the back, the rind of the pineapple. So we have in our pot the hibiscus leaves all washed. So you want to kind of fill it up with enough water so that it kind of envelopes the hibiscus. You're going to saturate the hibiscus with enough water. You're still going to add more water eventually, but for now, you just want to put enough to kind of cover it up. After that, next thing we're going to be doing is covering the pot for a little bit, for about 10 minutes. When you open the pot, you add the pineapple. So I didn't use all the pineapples in there, if you noticed, because I wanted to eat some of it. So we have the pineapple rind. That's the back of the pineapple. So now we have the 1 tablespoon of cloves. You can grind yours if you want. After that, we add in 5 tablespoons of ginger. I'm using ground ginger, but you can use fresh ginger. Just kind of grate it up and have 5 spoons or less. I kind of wanted mine a little bit spicy, so 5 spoons of ground ginger. And yep, it's looking really good. What do you guys think? I mean, it's looking really good. It looks like an actual pot of soup, but this is a drink. It's a really over kind of drink. So I'm stirring it now. Have it really stirred up. After a couple more minutes, you stir it up. You keep stirring, and you kind of see the transition of how much, how cooked it is. Then cover the pot and just kind of let it sit on very low heat. You don't want to put this blazing on high. You want a medium heat. After that, you let it cool off. Now, this is the kind of sieve that I'm going to be using. This is just for the first round of sieving the chaff from the drink. So if you don't have this kind of sieve, that's okay. So you see, after pouring the first batch of the hibiscus into the sieve, the next thing I did was add water to it because there was still so much juice in it. I used my spatula and just kind of mash on it a little bit so it squeezed out the juice as much as I could. So I just kept pouring water and mashing it up a little bit and sieving it. So now I kind of felt I'd gotten to the kind of consistency I wanted, and I've pretty much gotten all the benefits, the herbalness of the whole thing. I've gotten all the nutrients from the chaff. So at this point, I was pretty much done adding water and, you know, adding water and squeezing it out from the sieve. This was just like one, this is the first batch to sieve out all the chaff, separate chaff from the liquid. So you look at the bottom right there, that liquid you see, that's the juice. So after the first batch of straining, this is the second batch. This is supposed to help it have a finer consistency. The texture is not gonna be gritty, you know. But aside from using this mesh, a sieve, you can use a mesh cloth. They call it cheesecloth. You can use a cheesecloth and it will have a finer consistency and texture. So that's kind of like all that's left over. But like I said, if you want something really smooth, you can use a cheesecloth. I did eventually. So next thing you use lemonade flavor to sweeten your hibiscus drink or hibiscus juice. Just a tablespoon is all you need, but you can add more depending on how sweet you want it to be, just depending on your taste bud. So here's a table, this is about a tablespoon and a half, and then I stirred it, to my taste. You kind of want to taste it. Okay, so you can use a cheesecloth if you want. I eventually used a cheesecloth for mine because I wanted it smoother. That's the cheesecloth there. Awesome. I hope you guys have totally learned how to make this because, man, it tastes really good with tortilla chips too. I got a bag of tortilla chips here, and I tell you, they go hand in hand. I'm not even using the sour cream that I normally use, but it is good. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. If there's any other drink video you'd like me to make for you, let me know. Alright? Bye. This is good.